Let me show you how to remove the pin code lock on your Nintendo Switch 2. So maybe if you have forgotten and you haven't basically played your console and do not remember it, we can basically reset it using two ways. First, you can simply click I can't remember my pin over here, and it will simply ask you to log in basically on your phone with your like account essentially. So let's see what it does. Obviously you need to be connected to internet to be able to do this. So yeah, basically, let's see, yeah. Okay, so we can simply like scan this QR code using your phone. And the second way, if you also do not have your account, so if you maybe have deleted the app, and really the only way how to like get rid of this pin and get your console back is doing a factory reset on this console. So again, there is no way. So this again is simply to like prevent basically someone from accessing your data on your console and stuff like that, essentially just for security. And obviously everything on your console will get deleted once you actually do this. And to do this, first we actually have to turn off the console. So simply press and hold the power button for maybe like few seconds and click power options and also power off. By the way, if it's not turning off or something is wrong, you can also like literally press and hold the power button for maybe like 10 seconds and then also it will shut down essentially. And then we need to enter this recovery menu, and the way we do it is we simply press and hold the plus and minus at the same time and also the power button, and once you see the Nintendo logo, simply release your power button and keep holding the volume buttons. So okay, as you see, I'm holding my volume buttons and then pressing the power button to boot it up. Once you see the Nintendo, release the power and keep holding the volume buttons. So keep holding, okay, and then basically boot it up here. And see you have various options here. So yeah, basically we would probably do this restore factory settings. So again, once you actually do this, it will like wipe everything from the system. So again, all the data, everything that was able on your system, also your account, will get like wiped from the console. But again, this will also like reset the pin code as well. Anyway, good luck.